Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post videos like this. Tutorial videos just like this. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Bluebird bank account. So follow the step and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step for future videos like this. Now let's move on with the video without any further ado. First step, you want to search for Bluebird bank account creation. Once you search for it, you want to click on the first link, which will take you to bluebird.com. Make sure it takes you to bluebird.com. Now once you're over here, you need to click on where it says open an account in order to open yourself an account. So wait for some time until it loads up. Now once it loads up over here, you want to scroll a bit. And yeah, if you guys already have an account, you can always click on login at the top, alright, over here. But if you don't, just scroll a bit down, click on next over here. Once you click on next, scroll a bit down, click on next again. And this is going to be a three-step process. First, it's going to ask for some normal, like, information like a username. Create yourself that and then enter your email over here. So I'm going to enter my email over here real quick and then enter an email again to confirm it. So the email which you entered at the top, you need to enter the same email again over here. All right. Where it says passport, create yourself a passport over here and then enter the passport again to confirm it. So I'm going to do that real quick. Once you enter your passport, click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for some personal details because it's a bank account you're opening. So, of course, you got to provide some personal details. So, it's going to ask you for like a citizenship ID from which country you are. And after providing your personal information, it's going to review your information to check if it is correct or not. Once the review is complete, your account will be created. So, yeah, that's how you guys can create yourself a Bluebird account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.